Are BMW G20 wheel spacers safe on your OEM wheels? Quality BMW G20 wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each BMW G20 hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any BMW G20 wheel spacers installed. Installed Hubcentric BMW G20 wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, Hubcentric BMW G20 wheel spacers are designed with a Hubcentric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centric by the hub connection, and the lug nut can weigh first against the mounting plate. These BMW G20 wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for tighter fit, providing a minimum chance of vibration. Quality BMW G20 wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many BMW G20 wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum BMW G20 wheel spacers are much stronger as well as for a longer service life. Selecting the best BMW G20 wheel spacers ensures safety and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Being a high-end BMW G20 wheel spacer company, it is surely that the designs are expressive and geared toward improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantages of the BONOSS BMW G20 wheel spacers is the lightweight flat design. The benefits of the lightweight flat design are the whole design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Also, BONOSS BMW G20 wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. So, the high-quality BMW G20 wheel spacers are safe on your OEM wheels as long as we install them correctly.